कालूच बाप ते सगळे तुमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युशन जाल्यात ते तुमकां कितें म्हणटा?
पयलीं हांव एक सांगूं सोदतां, हे सगळे दिसा चलत ते तुका आमकां सर्टिफिकेट येता, उलोवपाक पासून गरज ना की BJP फुडें सोडला फकत गोंय काबार करपाक. असेंब्लीन हांवें काडलोलें ते लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड अमेंडमेंट काडलो तेन्ना हांवें सांगलोलें तूं शेत कन्वर्ट करून दितात म्हणल्यार फार्म हाऊस कल्चर येतलें. आनी फार्म हाऊस आमकां न्ही, तुम्ही जाणा व्हडले मोठे मोठे मनीस, पयशाचे मनीस. आनी हांव पासून फार्म हाऊसांत गेला नॉर्थ इंडिया, कितले फार्म हाऊस आहा, सामके पॉश फार्म हाऊस ते. सो असले फार्म हाऊस कल्चर हिंग येतले, आमचे गोंय आनी गोंयकार काबार जातले. सेकंड, तुमी पळयलें हे असेंब्ली सेशन हांवें ओपोज केल्ले ते बोनो वकान्सिया आनी एस्टीट एक्ट. हांवें म्हणलो दीस इज ऑफिशियल लँड ग्रॅब म्हूण सरकार चोरूं सोदता. सो दीस इज वॉट इज पेनिंग अस. आतां हे हो हिशोब आसा तो स्वप्नेशान पळयलो ते प्रमाणे 2016 थिंगा कन्स्ट्रक्शन आयिल्लो. 2016 हांव आमदार नाशिल्लो, मातशें उगडास दवर. इथं आयलो जाल्यार हांव रोखडो आडावपाचो आनी कोर्टा पासून वचून स्टॉप करपाचो. म्हाका खबर नाशिल्ली आनी आतां खबर आयली. हांवें चवकशी केल्या, RTI एप्लिकेशन घायल्या पंचायतीक आनी म्हाका इन्फॉर्मेशन येयलें तेन्ना तुमकां कंप्लीट स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट दितलो. म्हूण एक मुगे हातीन आसा की 2019 पंचायतीन रेजोल्युशन पास केल्लो तेन्ना फ्रांसीस डिसोजा म्हूण आशिल्लो, ग्लेन तिकलॉगे रायट हँड मॅन तो, आनी तो इलेक्शनाक बसूं सोदतालो पंचायती इलेक्शनाक. मुगे घरा येयलो सांगपा, सर आय वॉन्ट टू स्टँड फॉर इलेक्शन. हांवें म्हणलो आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू लायज, यू अपोज्ड मी, यू वर नॉट विथ मी, हाव कॅन आय बी विथ यू. मागीर तो म्हणपाक लागलो, हांवें ताका सांगलो आय हेल्प युअर डॉटर लॉंग बॅक वेन आय वॉज इन एक्झिक्युटीव कावन्सील ऑफ गोवा युनिवर्सिटी. आय हेल्प युअर डॉटर. नो बट ग्रेन तिकलो मागीर काजन म्हणलो. काजन जाल्यार तूं आतां म्हाका कित्याक हेल्प मागूं येता, ते कडेनच म्हणला. हो तेगे कजन सरपंच जायन हाऊस नंबर दिला तेका. Now we will get to all this and we will find out how this house number has come, and I will give you a detailed presentation on this. But right now what we can see is that this is nothing more than we are destroying Goa, finishing Goa, and this is being presided over by the BJP who are trying to say members are being made. Anana hunchi membership ingache goincho baile atat and member kotat kitat thing magi. If you are a member then you get benefit, so you understand all the benefit you get, whether it's of land, whether it's of conversion, you will get all the benefit. And this is the type of looting which is going on in Goa. So this has not happened in my tenure. फकत त्याने सेल डीड केला तेतून पळयला 18th May you have given the date 18 May 2024 त्यांनी सेल डीड तेगे नाव केले. that is in my tenure. Everything else has happened when I was not MLA of that. Other I would have taken action if I had come to know, and we will definitely take action as necessary in accordance with law.
So you are not allowed, sir. You are not allowed inside as a MLA. You are not allowed.
No, they have said that 5 of us can go in, including me. But I am standing with the people. आमचे लोकां बरोबर रावला.
रे तुम्ही आता आमच्या आमदारांक पळय प्रश्न विचारता न्ही, अरे वा मंत्र्याक विचारा मरे. कित्याक जाणा तूं ह्या सेल डिडाक ताणें फॉर्म 1 and 14 जे लायला पळय त्या फॉर्म 1 and 14 कल्टिवेबल दाखयला मरे. कल्टिवेशन दाखयला, खंयच्या वर्साक कितले केला ते पळय, सोर्स ऑफ इरिगेशन, रेन वॉटर सगळें दाखयला. ताज्या उपरांत हे पळय ही झोनिंग सर्टिफिकेट इश्यू केला TCP क्लियर कट सांगता दॅट इज अ पॅडी फील्ड म्हणून. हातून आमच्या आमदाराचो रोलच येना. डिपार्टमेंट कितें करता, डिपार्टमेंट सांगता इट इज अ पॅडी फील्ड. तुम्ही इलिगली अंडर 17 टू पॅडी फील्ड सेटलमेंट कन्वर्ट करता, तो थंय घर बांधता आणि मागीर तो 2 महिन्यांनी प्रॉपर्टी घेता, 2 महिने 1 म्हयन्यान घेता. दिस इज क्लियर कट केस ऑफ करप्शन.
आता हांवें तुमकां स्पेसिफिकली एलिगेशन दिला की म्हजे टेन्युअरान जाल ना आनी ते ग्लेन तिकलोगे टेन्युअर जाला आनी ते जो सरपंच आशिल्लो. तुमी मातशें मागीर तुमकां टायम मेळटा तेन्ना तेका इन्सार कितकोन तेगे नाका पोंदा दिला करपाक आनी तेगे हाती पोंदा एश कोन्न कितकोन जालें तें इन्सार तुमी.
आता तुम्ही वयतले भितर.
आतां आमकां आमी रावतात, आमी जे पासियन्स घेयला
गेट उगडूंक जाय तेंच्यांनी.
आनी एक तातूंत इम्पॉर्टंट गजाल
आमी समजपाक कांय वचना.
She wants to say something.
certain questions.
चीफ सेक्रेटरी पळो खंय हय गेलो उडनचू. हे कितें आतां, अरे हे कितें आतां, सायलेंट उडून गेलो.
Chief Secretary is the Home Secretary. He is scared of the people now of Goa. होम सेक्रेटरी जर लोकांक फेस करपाक भिता जाल्यार आमी कितें उरला
A simple question. It defies logic to me, and which you may or may not answer. But I pose this question to you. According to the delegation now, the culprit is the chief secretary.
yes
To whom do we give the memorandum? To the very man who is the culprit.
आणि तो तुगे हेड मरे
Don't have to answer, but you understand the answer is obvious.
नी दोतोर तो पळो आणि कितें
That's what they- Memorandum कोणाक दितले?
it's a logical question
I give it to you.
no
We will
memorandum we
decide
can
over
give to
chief
his
secretary.
boss the chief minister
So आता कितें करतले तुम्ही
आता आणि कितें गोंयच्या जनतेन पळयले की चीफ सेक्रेटरी
अरे, हाजे कडेन या मरे आमी.
कसो भायल्यान हांगाच्यान
मरे.
पळून गेलो तो
हा
जर तर चीफ सेक्रेटरी म्हाका दिसता चीफ सेक्रेटरी
कोणजे?
मुख्यमंत्र्यान आणि टीसीपी मंत्र्यान हाचेर आतां क्लियर येवपाक जाय बिकॉज आज आमी हांगा आयिल्ले चीफ सेक्रेटरीक प्रश्न विचारपाक कित्याक ही इज द डायरेक्ट हातून तो डायरेक्ट इन्वॉल्व आहा आता नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी विल हॅव टू गो टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑर एल्स विल हॅव टू गो टू द टीसीपी मिनिस्टर कित्याक जो मेन आज गोंयचे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो सांबाळटा तोच इन्वॉल्व आहा हातून तोच ह्या करप्शनान आहा आणि तोच पळयता म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या जनतेन हे आतां दोळे उक्ते करून पळोवपाक जाय की हे आतां IAS ऑफिसर सुद्दां आमचे जागे कब्जा करपाक लागल्या
पण सीएम आणि टीसीपी कडे वयता ते बरे आपण FIR बी तुमी करतले
अरे चीफ सेक्रेटरी म्हणटा तोच विजिलन्स ऑफिसर ताजेर आतां वी विल टेक वेदर वी हॅव टू गो टू द गव्हर्नर or whether whom we have to complain, we'll see. But this, we had come to ask him की बाबा हो तूच काय म्हणून पुनीत कुमार गोयल हो तूच काय हो आणि कोण आता तो आन्सर करपा रेडी ना
अरे 1850
But I have asked for documents. You know that I don't make any allegations or statements without studying it. I want black and white documents. Once I have it, then we will see what is the course of action. There are two parts of it. Remember one thing. There can be a civil action or there can be a criminal action. Sometimes every wrong doesn't mean it's a crime. Remember this. So therefore we'll have to look at it from that perspective, and it is too premature for me to. I was myself shocked when I saw that video, and but I first wanted to find out because Tuzana, my ex-MLA keeps on making statement that Aldona is getting developed and Aldona as if I am in a real estate broker. Somebody asked me just casually what is the rate of land. I don't know myself what's the rate of land because I'm not into buying and selling lands. I'm not a broker. I'm not a lawyer for real estate. I told this to the house also, and I will not be also because I don't love to destroy Goa. I want Goa to be preserved for posterity, and therefore I want you all to directly confront my ex-MLA and get him the clarity from him how this happened in his tenure and how this kind of a fraud could have taken place with his sarpanch in the chair.
Okay, what is the next step, sir? Now you'll be going. You'll check
No,
if
now
chief
we have
secretary is not
this
there.
thing. There is no further this thing now to go and meet chief minister.
Okay.
Because we will have to prepare a memorandum and give it to him. But after we have all the elements for the facts.
You'll be coming back.
On a different date, definitely. That is a very good question you asked me. Remember one thing, sometimes you may not see me at certain agitations. The reason is, when I'm a lawyer, I don't go on the road and fight. I go to the court and fight. You understand it? So in those I will not participate. So when I stand here, it will be political. When I stand in the court, it is public interest. I can't play a double role like that and tell the court no. So in this matter, you can understand that when I have come here, definitely I will not be the lawyer to stand up. But in other matters, there are certain other matters where I have not gone, and you may observe which I have not gone. I'm readying myself to go to the court. You understanding? This is what happened. It is another thing if I give you a response to a query which you may ask me in a press conference about a case. I have no problem. I'm not debarred then from appearing in the press. Supreme Court has deprecated that practice of lawyers giving press conferences in ongoing cases. You understanding? So or these cases. So I want to be a little on the safer side. It's better to be safe than sorry.